Hi all, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about Vidyz 2.0, created by Rutecky and Mike from Maine. This product is a video hosting service where you can upload your videos and you can use them on your site, like Vimeo, Vista or YouTube. This has some good features that makes it more attractive for people to upload their videos on the site. I'm Dr. Loendi from legendblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials and reviews just like this to help you to make informed decisions about buying a product or not. If you want to learn how to make money online in an honest and evergreen way, click on the link below and jump into the free training. If you find this valuable, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified when my next video is released. Vidyz 2.0 is a video hosting service where you can upload your videos. The key element when we upload our videos to YouTube, there's a chance that we lose our traffic. There's different areas where we will lose the traffic as they have lots of distractions and we don't have the traffic for ourselves. So we want the traffic to buy from us. So it's not ideal if they will be distracted. So this is where Vidyz is a good product. You can upload your videos to Vidyz and there's no distraction. You can also decide where you want them to be opened from. So you can pay $37 to $47 a month, which doesn't seem a lot, but if you look for what you get, I think it's a little high. This is the two guys who's in charge of this. And how many videos can I have in Vidyz? You can only have 10 videos, which according to me is not very high. I've just started with my YouTube channel and I already have 40 videos in the last 6 months which I uploaded. So 10 videos, okay, for beginners maybe, I think you need more. Then the next one that they have is the Pro upgrade for $67 to $97, which is also not a lot of videos. So if you want to really go into this and upload all your videos, you will have to get to all access, and that's quite a high price. I would rather look around and check if there's any other place like Vimeo or Vista that I can pay less and upload more. Videos on YouTube currently is free, so then I would rather stick to free before I pay this price. Now the other thing, Mike and Brett are the people hosting this. And it's a small company, it's not a big huge company. So what I also don't like is once something happens or if they decide to close down the company, if it's not functional anymore or more profitable for them, well, then all the videos that we uploaded is also not available and you can do nothing to it. So for beginners, I would not really go for this. I think if you look around, you will find better products, maybe less payment, even free. So let's look at the plan. This is now the Vimeo plan that I mentioned that could be a next choice. If I look at Vidyz and the company of Vimeo, it's a much larger company than Vidyz and you get much more for less. So I would say as a beginner, it might sound good to go to Vidyz 2.0 I would not. Although they have quite a lot of features. You can change your color, you can change the graphics, you can change a lot of things, especially if you want to do classroom teaching and courses. You can make it according to your color scheme and to fit what you like to do. So it has that professional look. But still, with all these features, I still don't feel it's worth buying it. If I would be in the shoes of a beginner, I would say no. Just be wary, you can only upload 10 videos. $37, quite high price to only have 10 videos. As a beginner, I don't think you really care about your videos as long as you can make them and upload them. 10 videos, as I said, is really not enough. And I think, according to me, I would stay away from Vidyz. You will be buying a limited service, and with anything that's limited or anything that's cheap, there's always limitations. And instead of buying and paying, I would rather look around. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I do these reviews to help you make informed decisions. If you want to learn how to make money online in a legit way, jump into the link below and see for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time, the other side of the screen.